Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar, Asher Angel. First time Going Guitar. It's about time. Great voice, great songs, alternate ending. That is the start on Going Guitar for Asher. So let's go into this one. And the best scenario for us to handle this one is with the capo on second, if you want to match up with the sound. And if you don't have a capo, then skip it and use the same chords. It will be a little bit darker than his version of it, but yeah, easy to handle. So let's go into the chord world, starting with C. Okay, so C goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have E minor next. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the C/F major 7 sus2. All right, long name there. It's much easier to play than say. It goes third on A, third on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the F. It's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret and push down all strings there. And then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And then we have two chords more left here. The first one is the A7 sus2, and it's also much easier to play than say. It goes open A, second D, open G, open B, open E. So that is the only thing you have to hold there. Push down the second fret D string. All strings will be open. So final chord, A minor. And it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We're going to start from the beginning, the first verse. And what you're going to play here is this style. Okay? So if you call the first chord here to C, you're going to play bass, top, bass, top, bass, top. So basically two downs. The first on the bass, and then top and mute. Okay, so one down on bass, one down on the top strings, and then mute it. I mute with the finger I'm putting in front of the chord here. With my little pinky, I mute it that way. So you get that feeling. You can also mute it with your strumming hand, leaning to the top of the strings. In some way, you have to kill the sound. That is the absolute best scenario for you if you can do that. So two downs, basically, it's the strumming so far. Okay, so we're going to start with that. You're going to play C1, then E minor 1, then the CF1, and then F1. Then you continue with C1, E minor 1, then the A7, 1, and F1. We can stop there. So far, we're halfway into the first verse. So C, E minor, CF, and F. And then C, E minor, A7, F. Then you're going to play two rounds of C, E minor, A minor, and F. But the strumming will be different. You're going to play 6 downs now per chord. So it goes like this. You want to highlight the 4th down. So you're going to play on the bass strings for all the other downs, but the 4th down, you're going to play down here. So you're chewing on the bass strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the strumming now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the last 2 rounds, you're going to play C1, E minor 1, A minor 1, F1 with that strumming. So it goes. Again, so C, E minor, A minor, and F. And there you ended the first verse. So it's a pretty long one. Just to summarize it, it was with that strumming, you played C, E minor, C, F, F, then C, E minor, A7, F. And then you had with the next strumming, you're going to play 2 rounds of C, E minor, A minor, and F. Okay, that's the first verse. Now into the first chorus. Fast asleep, that's where we are on the lyric. And now, if you grab the first chord C, we're going to have a different strumming again. So what you're going to do here is to play 1, 2, 3, clap. So down, 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 clap. Down, 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 clap. And pause after the clap. And that is the strumming now. So you're going to play C, 1, E minor 1, the C, F1, and F1. That's the first half of it. Then C1, E minor 1, A7, 1, and F1. The only difference is the third chord there. In the first half, you had the CF, and the second half, you had the A7. All of these chords now, consider that as one round. You're going to play for 2 rounds. We're going to play 1 round together with that strumming of down, 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 clap. It goes like this. Okay, that is 1 round. You double up and you have the first chorus. Then you finished 1 round of this song. You're going to go back to the second verse. It's played exactly in the same way, almost. The last half of it we played with this down, 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 down. That's strumming. So C, E minor, A minor, and F. In the first verse we played for 2 rounds, and this second verse you're going to play for only 1 round. Okay, so it's a little bit shorter than the first verse, otherwise it's played exactly in the same way. And the second chorus is played in the exact same way as the first one, no changes there. And then after the second chorus we have the outro part left. It's about 2 minutes and 54 seconds into the song. You're going to play C1, E minor 1, A minor 1, and F1 for that 1 chord progression, and you're going to utilize this 6 down strumming. So C, E minor, A minor, and F. And that is the outro. That means you finished the song called Alternate Ending with Asher Angel. So thank you, my friends, for being here and growing guitar. Appreciate that a lot. And thank you for your support. Till next time, guys. Play tuned.